Oke. 1, 2, 3.
Dinas Pendidikan, Kebudayaan.
1, 2, 3. Lagi. 1, 2, 3. Ganti apa? Lagi. Belum. 1, 3. Lagi. 1, 2, 3.
And the fire disappears into the mild Doha evening, and the beating drum is eclipsed for sound by tens of thousands from Argentina, whose passion weighs on him. Argentina, 8 years since their hordes crossed the border to the Maracanã, only to retreat with painted faces smeared by tears. Then the world seemed to weigh on Messi. Now, with the wisdom and perspective of rounded maturity, he seems ready for the world. France World Cup finalists for the 4th time in 7, unarguably the preeminent nation of this generation. Winning has become their self-perpetuating habit. And when these nations last met in this manner, it was for a truly glorious game. 9 who start here also started France's glittering 4-3 victory over Argentina at the last World Cup. Started the semi-final. That means a 100th cap for Nicolas Otamendi, and Nicolas Tagliafico preferred at left-back to Marcos Acuna. What a pop! McAllister got plenty on it.
Right start from Argentina, not the best.
Chin against Kunde. Di Maria now. Fernandez loses possession and wins it back. Di Maria.
Now Angel Di Maria. Di Maria's cutback has reached Rodrigo de Paul. De Paul strikes. The deflection from Varane flies wide. Mbappe, that's sweet. Rabiot. Good protection for Martinez.
The way he plays those 1-2s at times, it's...
There's Romero. There is de Paul. Bringing in Fernandez, chased by Giroud.
Fernandez. Falling through for Di Maria, touched on by Alvarez. Di Maria away from Kunde. He's gone to ground, he's got a penalty. Dembele had a little flick. Di Maria went tumbling. And Argentina eye the first massive opportunity of the night. A heartbeat. And Messi! A goal forevermore. Perhaps his moment for infinity.
Well, they deserve it, don't they? By far the better team so far. And I'm not sure anybody in this stadium thought he was going to miss this. Talk about a cool head. France have not.
Ini kunci motor 2 saya dapat. Yang mana Pak? Yang mana? Ekor bubuk. Pak Haji, ekor bubuk.
One of the goals of the tournament in terms of teamwork. No surprise that Lionel Messi's involved. What about that for a little two-touch? And afterwards, you knew McAllister had seen his man. You knew he was aware of where Di Maria was, and you knew Di Maria was going to finish it. That's exquisite. There seemed an inevitability about this. They've just been too much for France. The French can't cope with it. They cannot cope. Absolutely brilliant.
Over the top by Mbappe, chased by Kolo Muani. And Kolo Muani has got into the box. He's got a penalty. He's got a way back for France. Otamendi had a tug. So hold on. Just hold on.
Very similar, actually, to the one on Di Maria. A little tangle of legs in there, just there.
Mbappe. France just might. Mbappe with thrust. A nation re-infused with hope.
Yeah.
Just maybe.
Sheer power did for Emi Martinez there. We'd almost written the France team off here.
Ronaldo in 2002. Explosive. Kylian Mbappe. Oh, it's deflected up and over.
Well, the alarm bells are ringing there for Argentina.
He's got round the back here, Kingsley Coman. He's been upended. Camavinga. Rabiot.
Good use of the advantage by the referee, and it was outside the box.
Rabiot. Mbappe. Thuram. Mbappe. Oh, wow. He is an awesome force of nature.
When it comes to him, I think, no, don't volley it from there. Take a touch or two.
Namita tuh gitu mani kero. Ada nadi baya, coba tahan na yun. Yan nataba sa mga panakuha na natenda. Ano na yun? Agaro yung una mani niyo. Bayi. Yo kami tay. Iya tidak gore-gore. Desu gore-gore kuya.
Sees the removal of both De Paul and Alvarez. Paredes essentially comes on to be De Paul. And Martinez directly to replace Alvarez. Acuna!
A lovely ball into him, wasn't it, by Paredes? Lionel Messi for the past 20 minutes or so, all of a sudden he bursts in.
Acuna. As Lautaro Martinez has had the job. Robust Upamecano is Montiel. Lautaro Martinez. Lionel Messi. Fernandez. Martinez. Messi! Offside flag is up.
Has he given offside?
The referee's given the goal. The referee's given the goal. The little magic man from right on the line.
No offside there. Was it here? No. It's a goal. And that watch on the wrist to the ref does not lie. Lionel Messi, perhaps, has just scored the winning goal in this World Cup final. So here we go, definitive proof. So tight. The scruffiest finish, really, you can imagine.
Out to Mbappe.
Oh, handball.
Shout for handball. He hasn't, has he? He has. Which side of the line? Mbappe. Into the galaxy of greats! And France! Alive again!
Well, we build it as the Mbappe-Messi show. And so often in those circumstances the story lies elsewhere. Not tonight. Not tonight. The main men have come to the fore.